This video will show you how to replace the rear tail lamp assemblies on a Pontiac Grand Prix. You'll have one of these mounted to each side of the rear of your vehicle. The process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the tail lamp assembly, we have to open the trunk first. Now that we have it open, let's make our way inside. Now looking in this area, we can see this plastic panel. As we make our way towards the outboard side in here, you're going to find that you have a plastic nut. We can turn this counterclockwise so we can remove it. Just a quick inspection of that, we'll set it aside. With that out of position, let's take hold of that carpeting. We can shift that aside. Now that exposes two more plastic mounting nuts. We have one up high and one just down below it. Let's go ahead and remove both of those as well. There's one. All three of these are the same. You do not need to worry about mixing them up. Now we can start removing that tail lamp. Now as we pull this away, we do have a wiring harness along the back side. It has an electrical connector. We'll take hold of the locking tab, lift it away, and then slide it out of place. A thorough inspection for corrosion, of course. That wiring looks good. We'll set it aside. Okay friend, let's get ready for our installation. Prior to installing any part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. So we're looking at the body of the vehicle, more specifically along the three mounting ports. I'm just going to use a clean rag. I have some glass cleaner on this. You can clean your vehicle any way you deem fit. We're making sure nothing's rotted, weak, or damaged. This looks good. And now we can install the tail lamp assembly. Let's have a look along the back side. Now in this area, we need to start with our electrical connector. Line it up, press it together. After an audible click, we'll make sure it is secured in place. We don't want that coming apart while we're driving down the road. Looking at the back side of the tail lamp assembly, you can see that we do have 3 studs. Each one of those studs needs to fit into their corresponding ports. Line it up, slide it in. Once you feel as though you have it in the proper position, make your way back inside the trunk to install those 3 mounting nuts. Now, as I mentioned, you don't have to worry about mixing these up. We'll start them onto the mounting studs. We'll just make sure they're nice and tight. We don't want that tail lamp moving around on us. Second mounting nut. Prior to the third mounting nut, let's make sure we reinstall our panel. Just slide it behind this plastic panel. Should fit right behind there. Third mounting nut. Start it on, snug it up. Now at this point, we finished one side of the vehicle. If you're planning on replacing these as a pair, go over to the other side of the vehicle, repeat this exact same process. After that, you can go ahead and close the trunk and test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.